dawn breaks above 30,000 feet. In the new light, a flight of F-22 Raptors cuts across the cloud tops, a quartet of stealth fighters moving as one. Built for speed and subtlety, their lines catch the first rays of the sun.
Acknowledged. Stealth profile intact. Radar signature minimal. Missiles ready.
Internal bay secure. Closing.
Falcon 1 turning hot.
Copy, Falcon 1. Take it vertical when ready.
Pushing full burn. Climbing now.
Looking good. Vapors forming. Hold 7 Gs.
Passing 25,000. Rolling right.
Nice work. Stay with it, Falcon 1.
Copy. Coming off the top.
Hawk 1 status check.
Hawk 2 good. 8 JDAMs, 4 AMRAMs, 2 Sidewinders.
Copy that. Holding formation. Sunset's a stunner tonight.
Roger. Let's make the most of it.
Shooter to pilot. Launch bar locked. Engine set.
Copy. Power coming up.
Winds 25 knots. Clear for takeoff.
Ready. Salute.
Launch.
Gear up. Burner set. See you in a few. Stay flight.
AMAR AIM-120 AMRAAM. Active radar homing, 4 times the speed of sound. Range 105 kilometers. GBU-31 Joint Direct Attack Munition. GPS and inertial guidance. 2,000-pound class precision within 3 meters of target. Smart weapon.
Sweep complete. 2 friendlies plus 1 unidentified contact northwest sector.
Copy. Lock the unknown and set priority tracking.
Designation Bogey 3 heading 280, speed 925 knots, altitude 12,000.
Vector Falcon 1 and Blade 2 to intercept, bearing 140.
Roger. Intercept in 3 minutes, 42 seconds.
Explained. America's air power is defined by a trio of cutting-edge fighters: the F-35 Lightning II, F-22 Raptor, and F-16 Fighting Falcon. The F-35 blends sensor fusion with an internal weapons bay for maximum stealth and multi-role punch. The agile, battle-tested F-16s.
In the harshest skies, experience matters. The F-16, battle-tested, yet born to move.
Talon 1, Tally Bandit, Fox 2.
Agility that pulls 9 Gs and writes new playbooks in the same breath. Defending, flip.